Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the art flow. This is completely free AI model, so you can generate and create new advertisement for free. So from here guys, you should give your prompt and you should upload, template, what style you want, and then also you can say the size, what size you like, 1:1. But the prompt add actor, so you can upload an actor and then you can give the prompt, okay, and then generate, and then you can generate the image. Okay, so previously I have generated few images. You can see here some of the images I have generated as ad button. So if you want, you can also generate this kind of ad button. Video Studio guys, you can generate the video as well. So try Frame Studio. So if you click on over here, you can use this AI tools for free. You can click about it, and from here you can see preview area. Okay, then also add flow, upload your file. So you can upload your media, whatever you want. Let's upload one of the picture, and then after that add shoot. Okay, so you can give the shoot whatever you want, then you can actually generate the, okay. So in audio track, you can track your audio and all this stuff. Okay, so let's comment over here, and then if you come their home, okay, so from here remove bg, you can remove their background, you can create video, create an actor. So you can create also actor by clicking here, then you can create your own actor. Okay, so if you click the continue, then it will actually ask you to give you some of the information, professional headshot. Okay, so all the information, and if you click next and upload your actor, so you should upload this kind of stuff. I think you should upload a lot of photos, and after that actually you can make it actor. Okay, so that will upload, so you cannot give this kind of picture, you should give something clear like that. Okay, so still not enough, so I have to upload a lot of images. So after uploading, you should give your provided information, previous actor, and then get started. Okay, so pretty simple, and then you can use their actor template. So there are the template, but if you want to take the template, you have to take their site paid plan. And then also guys, studio, so you can actually create a studio, and then you can generate image, you can generate videos, all this stuff. Okay, so this AI tools for free. Every single day you get 25 credits, so you can use that to create an actor. And this YouTube channel, this AI art flow allows to free image generation, video generation. Okay, so if you want, you can learn more, you can create new image. You should click here, and then you should give your prompt as a share. You should upload this style, then you should click generate. Now it will generate for you. Okay, so you can control the reviews, 1:1, general, vertical. Okay, something like that, how you want, which style do you want. I would like to like whatever I would like. I have put it in general, and here's the new option, edit. You can also edit your actor and all this stuff. Now you see it generating, so it will take little time. So guys, I hope you found the video helpful. So if you really like this AI tool, subscribe my channel, and then if you want this kind of AI tools for free, subscribe my channel, and in future whatever content you are looking for, let me know in the comment box. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.